Today I'm going to cook up a simple Asian-inspired broth, lovely clean flavours which makes for a light and healthy lunch option. So this is my chicken, lime and coriander broth. First off, add a splash of oil into a nice large pan. I've got some spring onions, I've got some lime zest, some garlic, fresh ginger and some chilli, and give it around 1 to 2 minutes just to get those flavours working together. Then it's all about our stock pot. I've got 1.4 litres of boiling water. I'm going to take my succulent chicken stock pot with garlic and thyme, 2 of those, go in, give it a real nice stir into my pot. We'll bring that up to a nice simmer and then we're going to poach our chicken breast. Now the key is to cook these really nice and gently. We don't want them to be tough. So over a real nice gentle simmer, pop a lid half on. So my chicken's had 15 minutes of just cooking away really nice and gently. So I'm going to take the breast out, then using 2 forks, shred the chicken up. Once you've done that, pop the chicken back into the pan. And now it's just the finishing touches. So I've got some lime juice and also some fresh coriander. It's a tiny grinding of salt in there, and now it's ready to serve. On the side with a couple of lime wedges and some more fresh chilli. And there you have it, chicken, lime and coriander broth.